Hey Ladybird Loop, come downstairs, we have a big surprise for you.
What is it, Mom and Dad?
We got a pet for the whole family.
Oh boy, what animal is it?
Open the box if see we can find out what it was.
We got a cat, his name is Stinky, what do you think?
This cat is fucking disgusting.
Ladybird Lou, how dare you call Stinky to disgusting? That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded. Grounded, grounded for 102982736477329282737474839283736363728 years. Go to bed right now.